Hello students, today we are going to study linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1. First question, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. We have given that cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. We have to form a linear equation in two variables to represent this. Okay. So let the cost of a notebook be x and a pen be y. Let the cost of a notebook be x and a pen be y. Write this in statement, that is, let the cost of a pen be in notebook be x and a pen be y. Okay. After that, we have given that cost of a notebook equal to twice the cost of a pen. Now cost price of a notebook means x equal to 2 times y, or we can write x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the required linear equation in two variables. Okay. Second question, express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, that is in standard form, and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. Okay, that is the question. Now first one, it is 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35. We have to write it in the form, first a coefficient of, that is x term, then y term, then constant, that is equal to 0. So here it is 2x plus 3y is already there in LHS, and by taking this constant to RHS we get minus 9.35 bar, that is equal to 0. Now comparing the equations, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and this one, we get a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 9.35 bar. If minus sign is there, then you have to write minus. Minus is also there. Third one, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Now comparing the coefficients of, it is already in the standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first answer, it is same, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Now comparing the coefficients, a is the coefficient of x, here it is 1. 1 into x is x, isn't it? Now b, coefficient of y, that is minus 1 by 5. Coefficient of b is minus 1 by 5. And c is the constant. Constant here it is minus 10. Okay. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 by 5 and c equal to minus 10. Third one, minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Now in standard form it is minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Now comparing, we get a is the coefficient of x, that is minus 2, b coefficient of y, it is 3, and c is the constant, that is minus 6. A minus 2, b 3 and c equal to minus 6. Fourth one, x equal to 3y. In standard form it is x minus 3y equal to 0. X minus 3y equal to 0. Coefficient of a equal to coefficient of x, it is 1. B equal to coefficient of y minus 3 and c is constant. Constant term is not there. Therefore, c equal to 0. Here in this question, constant term is not there. So, you can write plus 0 also. Okay. My x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0, or you can write x minus 3y equal to 0. Now comparing, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 0. Final answer. Fifth question, 2x equal to minus 5y. That is 2x minus 5y will become plus 5y in LHS, and constant term is not there. So you can write 0, that is equal to 0. Now comparing, a equal to 2, b equal to 5 and c equal to 0. Okay. Sixth question, 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now x term is there, 3x. y term is not there, therefore we can write 0y plus 0y. Constant term is plus 2, that is equal to 0. Therefore we get a equal to, therefore a equal to 3, b equal to 0 and c equal to 2. Seventh one, y minus 2 equal to 0. X term is not there, so we can write 0x plus y term minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, a equal to 0, b coefficient of y 1 and c is the constant, that is minus 2. Eighth question, phi equal to 2x. Taking 2x to LHS, we get minus 2x. Y term is not there, therefore plus 0y plus constant term plus y, that is equal to 0. A equal to minus 2, b equal to 0 and c equal to 5. This is the final answer. Okay, thank you.